welcome to our channel. Explore the amazing world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a video. The Zwinger Palace is a magnificent baroque palace located in the heart of Dresden, Germany. The palace was built in the early 18th century by Augustus the Strong, the Elector of Saxony and King of Poland. It was designed by the architect Matthäus Daniel Pöppelmann and is considered one of the most important examples of baroque architecture in Germany. The Zwinger Palace is surrounded by stunning gardens and is situated in the old town of Dresden, near the River Elbe. The palace was originally built as an elegant pleasure palace and was used for court festivities and tournaments. It served as a place for the royal family to relax and entertain guests, and was the setting for many grand balls and banquets. The palace is known for its elaborate and ornate design, with intricate sculptures, fountains, and decor that reflect the baroque style of the time. The central court of the Zwinger is surrounded by a number of galleries and pavilions, each of which is designed in a different style and is dedicated to a different art form. One of the most famous structures in the Zwinger Palace is the Crown Gate, which is a grand archway that leads into the central court. The gate is adorned with gilded sculptures of allegorical figures, and is considered one of the most impressive examples of baroque decoration in Germany. Another notable feature of the Zwinger Palace is its collection of museums, which include the Old Masters Picture Gallery, the Porcelain Collection, and the Mathematical and Physical Salon. These museums contain some of the most important works of art and scientific instruments from the Baroque era, and are a must-visit for anyone interested in the history and culture of this fascinating period. Today, the Zwinger Palace is one of the most popular tourist attractions in Dresden, attracting hundreds of thousands of visitors each year. Its combination of stunning architecture, beautiful gardens, and rich cultural heritage make it a truly unique and unforgettable destination. The Zwinger Palace is surrounded by several important landmarks and tourist attractions. Here are some of the places you can visit while you're in the area. The Zwinger Palace is situated near the River Elbe, which is a great place to take a walk or have a picnic. The Royal Palace is located just a few minutes' walk from the Zwinger Palace and is another important example of baroque architecture in Dresden. The Frauenkirche is a beautiful church located in the old town of Dresden, and is one of the most famous landmarks in the city. The Albertinum is a museum of art and culture located near the Zwinger Palace, and is home to a number of important exhibitions and collections. The New Green Vault is a museum located in the Royal Palace that houses one of the most important collections of treasures and jewels in Europe. The Semperoper is a famous opera house located in Dresden, and is one of the most important cultural institutions in Germany. The Brauernkwartier Terrace is a beautiful promenade located along the River Elbe in Dresden, and offers stunning views of the city and the surrounding landscape. These are just a few of the many amazing places you can visit while you're in the vicinity of the Zwinger Palace. Whether you're interested in history, culture, or simply taking in the sights, there is something for everyone in this beautiful city. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe button so you never miss a video from us.